Hello loveliest people of the world! Today I would like to tell you how to bring the summer into winter in different sauces. Actually, I wouldn't call everything a sauce. I can call it a perfect dish in a jar that you can use the whole winter. This is a great eggplant recipe. I have 2 eggplant recipes on this video and a great pepper sauce, and at the same time we call that a menemen mixture. Think of the eggs with tomatoes. We have a mixture of that tomato sauce ready in a jar so that you put it in, you break your eggs, and then you get your lovely tomato, pepper and egg recipe in 3 minutes. So this video includes a lot of goodness. You'll put an effort for a day, it will relax you, and then you will eat it for the whole winter. If you're ready, we can start. First one, we call this, guys, the Şakşuka. Actually, the Şakşuka in the world is known with the egg recipe, but this is an eggplant recipe. Actually, we have the recipe on the channel, but we have manipulated it in such a way that it becomes a jarred recipe. How do we do that? Peel the eggplants in a pajama way and then dice them, and we put them in water with a bit of salt. This decreases the acrylamide level when it fries, and it's really good. It's a hundreds years old technique. Then fry the eggplants and we distribute it in a drying rack. We shouldn't crowd it too much. And then we also fry a bit of peppers. We take them out. We prepare then the tomato. Put a plus at the bottom of the tomato, hot water, take it out, peel it, put it in the processor, put a bit of oil and then garlic, cook it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then a bit of salt, a bit of sugar, and a bit of vinegar. This will balance the acidity of the tomato, making it really tasty. Add the eggplants and the pepper and boil them when it's really hot. Sterilize the jar, put it in, and put the clean lid on top. Close it really stiffly, and it will vacuum itself, and you can use it for the whole winter. But for example, this is too big, you open it and you use half of it, then you have to put it in the refrigerator and eat it in a week. So this is basically how it works. It is gorgeous as a side breakfast dish. It is gorgeous as a meze. It is gorgeous by itself as a course as well. Or you can put it on top of a bread and a bit of yogurt or cheese and eat it that way as well. It will be heavenly. Yes. Small break to the video. If you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. Your support is so important. We're going through hard days everywhere in the world, and the only support that you can give us through supporting each other, watching and subscribing and liking the video means the world to us. Because we are in a really hard place in Turkey right now. The world as well, but Turkey in a special way. So all your support, we really ask for it. Take care. Secondly, we have this menemen mixture. Menemen is actually eggs with tomato sauce, and the tomato sauce is one of the oldest and one of the things that almost everyone in Turkey prefers to do. How do we do it? We put a bit of olive oil, we put the peppers in, salt the peppers a bit, and then they fry for a while, and then we peel the tomatoes as we did in the Şakşuka, put a plus sign, put it on hot water, then cold water, peel it, put it in the processor. You say, Refika, I don't want that hassle. Take the stems of the tomatoes out and then directly put it into the processor. There will be a bit of skin on, but it's still good. You can do it that way. Put it in the mixture of the peppers and the oil, and when it bubbles for 15 to 20 minutes, put a bit of salt, a bit of sugar to balance the acidity. Then it's ready. Put it in the jar and close the lid, and it is going to be ready. Third, we have an incredible pepper sauce. This you can eat with your meatballs, you can eat with your mantas, you can just use it as a spread in your bread or make your sandwich with. It's a bit hot, but we like the hot sauce, you know, Turkish people, these soils love a bit of hotness. How do we do this? We put red peppers, which are not hot, some really hot peppers in case we have this Arnavut biberi, but you can use any kind of hot chili peppers, dry or fresh. Put them together in the processor and let it work for a while. Put some oil, a bit of garlic, put the mixture of peppers when the garlic is just turning its color, and then to balance we put salt and vinegar. We don't put sugar in this mixture because already the red peppers has a bit of sugary touch to it. So that mixture becomes gorgeous, gorgeous. Voila, we get our mixture and you can use it for the whole winter. If you have smaller jars, you can use smaller jars. This way it will keep its freshness for a longer time because we're going to use it in small batches because we're crowded. We're going to use it, for example, this is going to be one lunch sauce. So that's it. We have the 3 new sauces. By the way, I think we have it on the channel, something called Lutenitsa, this is fried eggplants and pepper and tomatoes. We have the grilled version as well. I'm putting the link to here so you can do that as well. Hope you enjoy our new 3 sauces. Do a winter preparation. It prepares you psychologically for winter. It calms you down because we're all stressed that summer is almost over and we haven't had our rest enough. Don't think that you're alone. Everyone is like that. So it will help you to prepare to a new thing. And if you have few friends, come together and do it. You know, there are so many tests around the world of longevity, good life, happiness, and everything says if you have good friends, you have a longer life, you get out of trouble much easily. So this is a great way of coming together and not thinking about other things and more earthly things. Like we don't talk about politics, you don't talk about, bad stuff, but here you come together and prepare your tomato sauce for the winter or a great recipe that you can use all winter and remember each other. So it is a great way to relax yourselves. I strongly suggest you to do it. Thank you guys. Take great care.